Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll be comparing two fantastic Wi-Fi systems, the Amazon Eero Mesh Wi-Fi system and the TP-Link Deco Wi-Fi 6 Mesh system. We'll be evaluating these products based on different categories to help you make an informed decision. Before we begin, make sure to like this video, leave a comment, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting tech reviews. Let's get started. When it comes to coverage, both the Amazon Eero and the TP-Link Deco offer impressive performance. The Eero Mesh Wi-Fi system brings up to 4,500 square featuring of fast, reliable Wi-Fi coverage to your home. On the other hand, the TP-Link Deco Wi-Fi 6 Mesh system covers up to 5,800 square feet, ensuring a seamless Wi-Fi experience throughout your space. Whether you have a small apartment or a large house, both products provide excellent coverage. When it comes to compatibility, both the Amazon Eero and the TP-Link Deco Mesh Wi-Fi systems offer great options. The Eero works with most major internet service providers, allowing you to seamlessly replace your existing Wi-Fi router. Additionally, the Eero system integrates well with Alexa devices, enabling easy management of Wi-Fi access profiles via voice commands. Similarly, the TP-Link Deco system is compatible with various devices and can connect up to 150 devices, providing strong and reliable Wi-Fi to your entire household. Both the Amazon Eero and the TP-Link Deco systems offer hassle-free setup and management. With the Eero app, you can easily set up your network and manage it from anywhere. The intuitive interface guides you through the setup process, ensuring a seamless experience. Similarly, the TP-Link Deco app provides clear visual guidance and allows you to control your network even when you're not home. Plus, both systems offer compatibility with voice assistants, such as Alexa, making network management effortless. In terms of security features, both the Amazon Eero and TP-Link Deco systems prioritize your network safety. The Eero system receives automatic updates, keeping your network secure against potential threats. Additionally, with a separate subscription, you can access enhanced online security and additional network management features. On the other hand, the TP-Link Deco system comes with a free lifetime subscription to TP-Link Home Care. This includes powerful antivirus protection, robust parental controls, and advanced codes to ensure a safer online experience. Both systems are equipped with features to protect your network and devices. When it comes to expandability, both the Amazon Eero and TP-Link Deco systems offer flexibility for future needs. With cross-compatible hardware, you can easily add more Eero products to your network as your requirements change. Similarly, the TP-Link Deco system allows you to expand your mesh network by adding more Deco units. Whether you need to cover additional rooms or extend your coverage area, both systems offer expandability options to meet your evolving demands. And that wraps up our comparison between the Amazon Eero Mesh Wi-Fi system and the TP-Link Deco Wi-Fi 6 Mesh system. Both products offer impressive features, ensuring fast and reliable Wi-Fi coverage for your home. Remember to consider your specific needs and preferences when choosing the right Wi-Fi system. We hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like this video, leave a comment sharing your thoughts, and subscribe to our channel for more tech reviews. Thanks for watching.